A major shift in air power is underway in the Indo-Pacific, a region that has become the focal point of global security concerns and military innovation. The United States Air Force is now replacing its aging fleet of F-16s at Misawa Air Base with the state-of-the-art F-35A Lightning II, a move that marks a significant technological leap forward. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a bold statement of America's enduring commitment to the security and stability of the region, and a clear demonstration of its resolve to maintain a technological edge. The F-35A's arrival signals a new era of air dominance, sending a powerful message to potential adversaries and reassuring allies of America's presence. Misawa's strategic location, nestled near both Russia and the Korean Peninsula, makes it a vital hub for rapid response and forward deployment in times of crisis. Placing the world's most advanced fighter jet here puts cutting-edge power right on the front lines, ready to respond at a moment's notice to any emerging threat. The F-35A's unmatched stealth, advanced sensors, and networked capabilities give the US-Japan alliance a decisive edge, allowing them to detect, track, and engage threats before they even know they're being watched. Pilots and crews are undergoing intensive retraining to master this leap in technology, marking a true turning point for American air power in Asia and setting new standards for operational excellence. For Japan, which is also acquiring F-35s, this move dramatically boosts interoperability, joint operational strength, and the ability to coordinate complex missions together. With American and Japanese pilots now flying the same advanced jets, they can operate seamlessly as a unified force, sharing tactics, intelligence, and mission objectives. For adversaries, the F-35A's ability to operate undetected and strike with precision fundamentally changes the calculus of any potential conflict, raising the stakes for any who might challenge the alliance. This deployment is more than a military maneuver, it's a geopolitical event, one that is actively reshaping the balance of power and signaling a new chapter in regional security. The Indo-Pacific skies will never be the same, as the F-35A ushers in a future defined by speed, stealth, and unrivaled technological superiority. Stationing F-35As at Misawa is a game-changer for regional security. The base's location allows US and Japanese forces to monitor key sea lanes and airspace. Replacing F-16s with F-35As dramatically enhances the alliance's ability to project power and deter threats. The F-35A's stealth and intelligence-gathering capabilities create a networked force that's more aware and lethal. Japan, planning to acquire over 140 F-35s, can now train and operate in sync with US forces. This seamless integration multiplies effectiveness and sends a powerful message of unity. The F-35A ensures the US and its allies maintain a technological edge in a rapidly evolving threat environment. It's a critical step in preserving peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific. The F-35A Lightning II is more than a replacement for the F-16, it's a revolution in military aviation. Its stealth design lets it slip past enemy radar, striking or gathering intelligence undetected, but its real power lies in its sensors and data fusion, creating a complete battlefield picture for the pilot. The F-35A acts as a flying information hub, sharing data with other aircraft, ships, and ground units. This networking turns a squadron of jets into a unified, lethal force. The F-35A's arrival at Misawa boosts deterrence. Adversaries must now contend with a force that sees and strikes first. Its ability to neutralize enemy air defenses opens the door for all allied operations. In the Indo-Pacific's complex security environment, this technological edge is vital. The F-35A is a game-changer for the US-Japan alliance. Comparing the F-16 to the F-35A is like comparing a classic car to a modern supercar. The F-16, a fourth-generation workhorse, relies on speed and agility. The F-35A, built for the information age, dominates with stealth and sensor fusion. Its pilot can detect and target threats far beyond visual range, changing the rules of air combat. The F-35A's advanced helmet and data systems reduce pilot workload and speed up decision-making. It's not just a better fighter, it's a central node in a networked force. The transition at Misawa marks a shift from platform performance to information-driven warfare. This is more than an upgrade, it's a transformation in how wars are fought. The future of air power is here. As the advanced F-35As arrive at Misawa Air Base, many are left wondering, what happens to the outgoing F-16s, the reliable workhorses of the U.S. Air Force for decades? These well-maintained jets, still highly capable, could be transferred to trusted allies through the U.S. Excess Defense Articles program, extending their service life and strengthening partnerships. The Philippines, a long-standing U.S. treaty ally facing mounting security challenges in the contested South China Sea, stands out as a prime candidate for such a transfer. While the Philippine Air Force is actively modernizing its fleet, it still lacks true multi-role fighters capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Acquiring F-16s would represent a monumental leap forward, providing the Philippines with credible air defense, enhanced patrol capability, and a significant deterrent against potential threats. This transfer would not only strengthen the U.S.-Philippines alliance, but also send a strong, unmistakable signal of support and commitment to regional stability. With F-16s, the Philippines could better defend its sovereignty, monitor its vast maritime borders, and deter regional coercion from more assertive neighbors. The move would also reinforce the broader U.S. alliance network in Asia, enhancing collective security and interoperability among partners. For the Philippines, these jets could become the backbone of their air defense for decades to come, transforming their military capabilities. The image of F-16s guarding Philippine skies is a powerful symbol of shared security interests, mutual trust, and a forward-looking partnership. But making this vision a reality will require careful planning, sustained investment, and a strong commitment from both sides to training, logistics, and long-term support. It's a golden opportunity for both Washington and Manila to deepen their alliance and shape the future of regional security. The future of these Vipers could play a pivotal role in shaping the region's security landscape for years to come. For the Philippine Air Force, acquiring F-16s would be a game-changer. These jets would provide robust air defense, allowing effective patrols and interception of unauthorized aircraft. The F-16's multi-role capability means it can handle air-to-air, air-to-ground, and even anti-ship missions. Operating F-16s would elevate the professionalism and skill of the entire force, requiring advanced training and technical expertise. This transfer would foster a new generation of highly competent airmen. F-16s would also improve interoperability with the U.S., enabling seamless joint exercises and operations. In a crisis, this shared foundation would be invaluable for coordinated defense. The F-16 would become a symbol of a modern, capable Philippine military. Acquiring U.S. fighter jets is a complex, multi-step process. It starts with a formal request, like the Philippines applying through the Excess Defense Articles program. The U.S. State and Defense Departments and Congress must approve the transfer. Technical teams assess the jet's condition and the recipient's infrastructure and training needs. A complete package is developed, covering refurbishment, spare parts, and training. The Philippines would be buying a full capability, not just jets. Implementation involves refurbishing the aircraft, training pilots and crews, and upgrading air bases. Only when all these steps are complete do the F-16s arrive, ready for service. It's a long, detailed process, but the payoff is a modernized Air Force. The journey from request to delivery is as important as the jets themselves. Acquiring F-16s brings huge rewards and big challenges for the Philippines. The biggest hurdle is cost refurbishment. Spare parts, weapons, and infrastructure upgrades add up fast. Operating F-16s is far more expensive than the PAF's current jets, requiring a long-term budget commitment. Training pilots and ground crews takes years and demands sustained investment in human capital. Retaining skilled personnel is another challenge, as commercial airlines compete for talent. Air bases need major upgrades to support F-16 operations, from runways to secure munition storage. Without proper infrastructure, even the best jets are useless. Despite these challenges, the rewards are transformative, credible air defense, power projection, and closer U.S. ties. The F-16 would modernize the entire Philippine Air Force, creating a more professional and capable organization. Success means securing the nation's skies for a generation. The stakes couldn't be higher. The F-35 stationed in Japan represent more than just advanced aircraft. They are a visible sign of commitment and readiness in a region where tensions can escalate quickly. And the potential deployment of F-16s in the Philippines signals a growing partnership, enhancing the country's ability to respond to emerging threats. These moves are part of a broader U.S. strategy in the Indo-Pacific, designed to maintain balance and deter any aggressive actions. This strategy is built on the foundation of advanced technology, leveraging the latest innovations in aviation and defense systems. But technology alone isn't enough. Strong alliances are essential to deter aggression and ensure a rapid, coordinated response. Deploying the F-35A not only demonstrates U.S. technological superiority, but also reassures allies of unwavering support. It's a clear signal of commitment to regional stability and the defense of shared interests. Yet, technology is only part of the equation. Alliances are the backbone of security. Strengthening partners like Japan and the Philippines helps build a collective shield, where each nation contributes to the region's defense. Transferring F-16s empowers allies to defend themselves and the region. Shared equipment and training enhance interoperability, making joint operations seamless, credible, and far more effective in real-world scenarios. This unity transforms political agreements into real, integrated fighting forces, ready to act together. Together, advanced jets and united partners create a powerful deterrent that adversaries must respect. The ultimate goal is clear: to preserve peace and maintain stability in a dynamic, sometimes volatile region where the stakes are high. The sight of Allied F-35s preparing for flight and F-16s soaring together is a powerful symbol of shared commitment and mutual trust. Through technology and alliances, the U.S. and its partners are forging a secure, stable future for the Indo-Pacific, one built on cooperation and shared values. The shield is being built, one jet, one alliance, and one mission at a time, ensuring peace for generations to come.